Hello friends, now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 49, and the topic is verbs past time. We know there are three times of a verb. One is present, another one is past, and another one is future. But today we will only discuss about past, but without present we cannot discuss the past time. So this thing we will find in the box. See, in this box it's written present time. We begin our holidays today. Here the word begin is a verb which shows present time, and in this place they began their holidays yesterday. Here began is showing the past time. Learn the verbs in this list, then answer the questions. Present blow, past blew. Present break, past broke. Present do, past did. Same way, drive, drove, eat, ate, feel, felt, fly, flew, hide, hid, know, knew, sleep, slept, take, took, tear, tore. After this, we will find some exercises in this page, and if we can do all the exercises, then this topic will be clearer for us. A number exercise, here is written, copy these columns, fill in the blanks. So if you can keep remember this present and past times, then it will be easier for you to complete this thing or this task. So let's see. Here you will find here in this place, see, tear, tore. So here we will put tore. Break, broke. Sleep, slept. Know, knew. Here past is given, so we have to write the present time of this. Took, it will be take, hid, hide. Drove, drive, ate, eat, fly. Now this is the present time, we have to write past time of it. So what it will be? Fly, it will be flew. Here's given. Again I am telling, just try to memorize this thing, because you will find these words in several times in your life. These are actually, you can tell, daily words of a person. So now here blew is given, past form is given. So its present is what? Its present is blow. Do, its past is did, and felt, its present is fill. Now we will do B number exercise. Same thing, you have to keep remember all the words what we have found in the box. Then this is also be easier for you to do. Let's read the question. Write the verbs in past time that must be used to fill the gaps. Peter dash a long time to do his sums. So you can take help from this place. Peter, which can we write here? Peter took. Peter took a long time to do his sum. So here we will put took. Now I am doing it by myself, of course by taking help of that place, but I'm not saying this thing all time. Already I have memorized it. Now I'm just putting the words here. So Mr. Bond dashed the car into the garage. So no, the car, the word with the car, one verb is related, that is drive. So we can write here Mr. Bond drove the car into the garage. Why drove? Because here it's written, we have to write the past time. 3 number, I went to bed early and dash all night. What can I tell? I went to bed early and slept all night. 4 number, the high wind blew the leaves of the trees. 5 number, Link dash a plate when she washed the dishes. So it will be a Link broke a plate when she washed the dishes. 6 number, the dog dash all his food and wanted more. It will be the dog ate all his food and wanted more. 7 number, the lark dash up into the sky. So what it will be? Here we have to put the lark flew up into the sky. 8 number, James dash a pain in his side. What we can put here? James felt a pain in his side. 9 number, Martin dash the answer to every question. Martin, what we can put here? Martin knew the answer to every question. 10 number, Rania dash her anorak on a rusty nail. Here we will put tore. Rania tore. So today we have done another page from Junior English Book 2, and that is the page number 49 and topic verbs past time. This is so important topic for you. Next we will do another page. Bye for today.